everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a restoring video of this doll. So meet this doll. So let's see what we're working with. So she's a Pleasant Company stamped doll with the tag that says 2008. So we're just gonna go ahead and say a Just Like You number, I think she's a number 6 or number 8. I'm super excited. She's got her auburn hair, the original poofy bangs, and her bright green Felicity eyes. A little backstory while I'm looking at her. So I got her from the Facebook Marketplace with a friend. I'll also be doing a restoration video of her friends, but they were each $20, so that is really exciting. It looks like she's going to be needing to be restrung since this is just like out of its socket, but we can try. Coming a little bit undone, so I need to get my sewing kit out and do that. It's got some other little stuff coming out, but nothing too major. Her arms are pretty good in there. She's feeling really grimy, really dirty. Her hair honestly doesn't look too bad. It looks like it needs to be washed and brushed, but it's pretty good condition. This is just kind of messy. So let's do the hair first. Sorry, you're looking at an out of focus doll. So I think what we're gonna do first is brush her hair and wash her hair, take her head off, and see what's going on. So I'm gonna be using this Pantene shampoo. I've had it forever. Anyways, we're gonna be using a very small amount with cold water. Don't wanna do heat, obviously their hair is plastic, so we're just gonna do some cold water. I don't wanna get her wig at all. This is about how much I'm gonna use. Maybe a little bit less. Okay, we have her drying over here, and I think I'm going to take all of the stuffing out of here, and then we're going to clean our body and see what's going on inside.
Okay, I'm gonna just do a voiceover here because I explained this so badly. Basically what I'm doing is just tightening her limbs with the rubber band method, which is taking a rubber band and tying it around the inside of that white part just so that it is a little bit tighter, and then I ended up putting another rubber band on the other side of that as well.
Everybody's favorite part, restuffing. Put everything in this big bowl here. And we're gonna stick it back in the doll now. Okay, here we go. Guys, she's looking so good. Okay, we gotta wait for her hair to dry, but she's a whole new doll. First of all, she's standing on her own. That worked amazing. This one I just did like one rubber band because it wasn't that bad. And it's still not that bad, so I'm not really too worried about it. But I'm so happy with her. She's so cute. Okay, here she is looking so freaking cute. I've decided I'm going to name her Harper. I think that she's super cute. She ended up looking really great. Her hair is in super great condition. Not very much like frizz or anything yucky. The ends are still really nice. So she was definitely such a good find. I still am gonna have to figure out how to get that stuff off her leg. But in general, I'm so happy with her. So please welcome Harper to the family. I see her definitely becoming a main character in just the day-to-day AGsmiless videos. So you'll definitely catch her in some upcoming videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!